Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, I'm actually a little bit sad and happy at the same time. Yeah, today I work from 6 o'clock and I finish at 2 o'clock. It is already 3:28. Yeah, and I'm here at the reserve. So basically, I meet a buyer for this van. She drive it and she like it actually. Yeah, she said she was traveling before, also with the camper van. But then when she got married, yeah, they stopped traveling. She already gave me $100 to prove that she's in good faith, that she's really want to take this. So tomorrow, they are coming back to make the final decision and probably take this. And that's why I'm a little bit sad. I am happy because already someone is going to take it. I'm a little sad because, yeah, this is my home. But I have a new home, but yeah, it's not a home yet. It's just a van. Yeah, and she said that they are going to rebuild it. Yeah, because yeah, two people is actually not possible to sleep in the van. It is messy inside. Yeah, because I showed to the lady how to set it up, how to do the things. So if they take it tomorrow, I have no bed. Yeah, I have no bed to sleep tomorrow. Yeah, that I will have no bed to sleep tomorrow if they take it tomorrow. Oh, the guy is sleeping in the driver's seat. Or maybe I'm going to stay in a hotel tomorrow. So basically the lady's money will be able to pay for the remaining loan. As you've seen yesterday, yeah, the van is new. I mean, it's empty, it's bare. So it means that I need to buy everything, build everything again. But actually, I'm not going to eat outside. I still have food here. Yeah, the one that, yeah, I went to the grocery yesterday. I bought some microwavable food and that's what I'm going to eat. It's very difficult to take off my shoes. Yeah, I'm just going to be here. And actually, yeah, I actually have this pork that I need to cook today because tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow I don't have a battery. I don't have microwave. Yeah, actually I have my other battery, but here's my phone.
So if we walk over there, how do you shut the window?
This just long press.
Just when we
if
lock
you want
it.
to open or close, just long press. Yeah, thank you very much. Yes. Yeah, so that's Mrs. Karen and Ben. Yeah, Mr. Ben, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, and good thing they give this back to my kangaroo. And my van is now a mess, so I'm going to be sleeping here tonight. Look at this, can you imagine? Look at this thing. Yeah, these are all coming from the camper van, but yeah, it's good that they actually don't need the camper van. Yeah, the setup. What they need is just the vehicle. and yeah, they actually want to give me the everything inside that I want, like the bed and you know the table, but yeah, I said that I don't need, I will make a new one, and I don't have a place to dispose it. But I take the bed, I mean the foam. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what to do. Yeah, I'm still feeling lazy. I'm hungry. I don't know how to start also. Yeah, yeah, I need to move. I need to start doing things. Yeah, today I work from 6 o'clock and I finish at 2 o'clock. Yeah, exactly 2 o'clock actually when I sign out. Yeah, Chef Matt wants me to stay first, and he will go back and he will go for the toilet, and when he comes back, I will go. Yeah, but I said, oh Chef, someone is waiting for me. Yeah, and then he let me go. So I won't be able to do any cooking. Yeah. Yeah, because yeah, it's a mess. I am going to be eating in the restaurant. I still have one piece of egg, but this one is old. I'll throw it. Yeah, good thing I have a bed. Yeah, for tonight. And my blanket, my pillow. And I decided to rent self-storage for this vehicle. Yeah, because I thought it is going to take time to sell my Volkswagen Transporter, but yeah, it's actually really fast. Yeah, within the day that I posted on Facebook Marketplace, yeah, I got a lot of messages and asking me about the details, the price, asking for discount, etc. And also there are some really serious buyer that yeah, they want to meet me, and yeah, I sold it within the day. I mean the next day actually. I actually also received a lot of messages. Yeah, I believe are coming from the scammer. So basically they have the same pattern. I realized that, oh, this message is the same like the other one. Yeah, but different people. I received maybe 6 people asking me, yeah, the same, they are actually sending me the same link. Yeah, but upon checking the link, I did not click the link, but instead I typed the link on the browser. Yeah, and realizing that it's not an Australian website. So basically they are asking me to register and yeah, enter the details of the vehicle, yeah, for them to be able to know the history of the vehicles. Yeah, but actually they are the one who are supposed to do that. Yeah, they are the one who are supposed to check the history of the vehicle through the website here in Australia. Yeah, there are different website, even a government website that will show you the details of the history of the vehicles. Yeah, so yeah, it's good that the buyer of my vehicle, yeah, are good people. Actually they are really nice couple. Yeah, very thankful. This new one is also a loan. Yeah. I actually prefer to have a loan than paying it in cash. Yeah, I don't feel like spending my money, my savings into something that I can have without spending. I know it is going to cost me a lot of interest through the years, but yeah, it's okay. It's calculated, and I'll still be able to live the way that I like. And yeah, I believe I still can save, hopefully. And notice that the lending company, yeah, let me have a new car, despite of I'm still have the balance for my Volkswagen Transporter. Yeah, probably the reason is that because of my good credit score. Yeah, as I mentioned to you, I always pay on time on my credit card, and yeah, the Volkswagen Transporter loan. Yeah, because I always pay on time. As I was saying, always. So I think that's the reason, because I believe that some lending company, they will not let you have a new loan if you have a current loan. I'm not sure about that, but yeah, I believe it's like that.